Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go with the question. What is the value of the following expression if x negative y equals to 20? Okay, using this stuff, that is the value of x negative y, that is 20, we have to evaluate the value of this expression. Okay, when I look at the terms of the expression we have over here, there is a coefficient of x square is 2, the coefficient of x is 10, here we have 4, 10, 2, everything is a multiple of 2. Since everything is a multiple of 2, we can factor 2 out. If 2 is factored out, then we get x square, positive 5x, negative 2xy, negative 5y, positive y square. So once 2 is factored, to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide each term in the expression by the one I factored, that is 2. When I divide this 2x squared by 2, I'm just getting x square. When I divide this positive 10x by 2, I'm getting positive x. In the same way, we can get the rest of the expression. Okay, now 2 times we can write this x square, negative 2xy and positive y square together. Then I'm getting x square, negative 2xy, positive y square together, and we can write this positive 5x and negative 5y at last. That is positive 5x and negative 5y. Okay, now let me consider the algebraic identity, that is a negative b the whole square. Actually, this is a square of a binomial, so its expansion is a square negative 2ab positive b square. So the expansion of the square of the binomial a negative b the whole square equals to a trinomial a square negative 2ab positive b square. Okay, whenever we have a trinomial in this form, a square negative 2ab positive b square, it can be written as a square of a binomial, that is a negative b the whole square. Okay, now let's compare the trinomial we have over here with a square negative 2ab positive b square. This is exactly in this form. At the place of a square we have x square, at the place of 2ab we have 2xy, at the place of b square we have y square. So what can we write for this trinomial x square negative 2xy positive y square? We can write this trinomial as a square of a binomial like this one. So that is 2 times we have x negative y the whole square. For this trinomial, we write a negative b the whole square. So the same trinomial we have over here, but at the place of a we have x, at the place of b we have y. So instead of a negative b the whole square, I am writing x negative y the whole square for this trinomial. And now, when I look at this one and this one, so here the equation of x is 5, the equation of y is also 5. So we can factor 5 out. So when 5 is factored, to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide both the terms by the one I factor, that is 5. When I divide this positive 5x by 5, I'm just getting x. When I divide this negative 5y by this 5, I'm getting negative y. Okay, now what we can do is we can plug in the value for x negative y over here and here, because we have the value of x negative y in the question, that is 20. We can plug in 20 for this x negative y. Then I'm getting 20 square positive 5 times. So for this x negative y, we can plug in 20. Okay, now let's do some simplification. That is 2 times. So the value of 20 square is 400 positive. 5 times 20 is 100. Then we get 2 times of 400 positive 100 is 500. When I multiply this 2 and 500, I am getting 1000. Okay, using this stuff, that is x minus y equals to 20, I got the value of the given expression. The value of the given expression is 1000.